So this video shows students on Mac OS how to open Eclipse without using the installer in the launcher. So if you followed the instructions for installing Eclipse, Eclipse would have been installed into your home folder under a directory called Eclipse. So if you open up a console and type in the command ls and press enter, you'll see there's a folder called Eclipse. To run Eclipse, the easiest way to do this is to use Finder. Up in the Go menu, go to your Home folder, then Eclipse. Find, there should be a folder called something like Java 2021-06 or something like that. It might be different if you have a different version of Java. And then you'll find the Eclipse program there. You can just double click on it. And so that's how you start Eclipse if you've installed it following the instructions in the previous video. And I guess while I have it open, I'll show you once again how to create a new project and create a new class. So you can see here from the previous video, we've got our first project. We've got our CISC 124 project containing all of the course notes. If you want to make a new project, you just do File, New, Java Project, and you give it a project name. I'll be creative and call it second project. I'm going to not create the module, and there's your second project. So if you double click on the project, or if you click the arrow, you can now create a new class. Right, so this time, let's make the class Goodbye World. And we'll just print out the string, goodbye. And save, and again, so save using the disk icon or Command S, and then run by pressing the green run button, and there's your output, Goodbye World. Okay, so that's how you start Eclipse.